Guys, we're back again with me. We're gonna be doing sister location. So let's complete the enard.
It seems that you have accidentally wandered into a restricted area.
So you can know at the end of the game, it's gonna be enard's voice that's gonna be all behind it.
Until the cleanup crew arrives at 6 a.m. So hang tight. Rest assured that you will be promptly rescued, fired, then sent home. Thank you for being an employee. We hope that your experience has not been as regrettable as ours.
Voice is gonna be all behind this. Everybody knows that his voice is behind this. His voice is gonna be like, oh! Just lock him in. Enard, haven't you know you're a goofball and he's just like Mango? He is just like Mango. He's all wired like Mango. We won't make it alive. When did my battery ever die? Help. 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 1919 work. Where is he?
Oh yeah.
I bet he's still switching through tunnels. Ciao. Ciao, where are you? Ciao, where are you? Ciao, where are you? That voice is in the end. Guys, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching part 3.